Okay, dry spot gone on the dust bag. Alright, so we just got a new sale and it's on these Jordan 12 International Flight. Yeah, you see the sold price. Not that much. I told you we do them for deals. So this label made and then here. Okay, so we're gonna print this label. Yeah, so we're gonna go put this on the box. Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a ship out, so let's go ahead and get it to it. We're looking for the 12s here bag as well. Let me get y'all on the pod and we're gonna get this started. These are, I guess, look, y'all gonna get a cleaning process video as well. So I'll show you. Still can't find it, so just get the don't you onto the suede. Didn't have to wait, or the buyer has to wait. Like, okay, so I just got this done. Man, this took like another 10 minutes. I don't know how. It was just old gum. It wouldn't come off, so I had to clean the bottom. You can obviously see. I only did this. That's it. But I'm gonna clean this bottom one, and we back to it just being so wet. It's a little damp. Do it. So let's go ahead and do that. But now that we got that done, let's go ahead and the cleaning process done. Hit it with oil. No way. I kind of made my own, so I'm gonna show y'all the before of it. Oh no, let me know in the comments. We'll start but we'll show you how it looks after. I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but I hit it with a spray. The lighting is gonna be hard to see, but you should see the difference a little bit. Just gonna hit it with that one. Like, for instance, you see how it's just, so it's like white right here, and white right here. But the mink oil just makes it darker, makes it fade in a little more. Right here. Oh. Actually. Alright, so let's get some of this out of the way and plug this in. See, I'm gonna have to wait on this because y'all can't even hear it. Alright, now look at these. This one off. I'm gonna put it over both of these. Use the sealer, seal it. Come right. So back at the hair dryer. Alright, so we just got both of these wrapped. We're gonna unplug this. And we're gonna use the hair dryer to get these wrapped. To get it perfect, I'm gonna show you a preview of one, and then I'm gonna do the other one and take them back outside. You good. Alright, so we got these two done. We're gonna unplug this and take them outside. Yep. We actually forgot the dust bag, so let's look at that. Okay, dry spot gone on the dust bag. What? Nah, it's just the heat. You get the evaporation, that's all that is. Yeah. It doesn't come with a box, but it does come with a bag. Thumbnail? I don't even think I got the thumbnail. Get the thumbnail for the video. Any YouTube ain't got that thumbnail. a little bag where I can put them in a. That's just for people here. Little bag. Get you a real box. This in here. Y'all. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this one to the car. And now we off to USPS.